I'm Vanessa Joy. We're learning all about indoor on-camera flash techniques.
Thanks so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video.
So on-camera flash, I know that sounds like, the worst thing in the world, but we can do a lot of fun stuff with indoor on-camera flash. Indoors, you have a little bit more power because you have a lot of things to bounce off of. We're just gonna have some fun with this. We have a really fun room to shoot in, and we have our gorgeous model Tess, who we're gonna hand a martini to, and she's gonna make it look like she's a wallflower in a nightclub. That's what we're going with. So let's go ahead and just take some pictures just to show you what this looks like. I'm going vertical, guys. That's the trend. It's a lot of fun. Yes, awesome. Good. And then take a step off the wall. Just one step, yeah. We'll throw your shadow a little more. Good. Beautiful. Really fun, kind of like paparazzi kind of look. Now I'm gonna adjust this ever so slightly because remember I wanted to look more like nightclub vibes. So I was in TTL. I'm gonna go ahead down to manual and then lower a little bit. I really want full control over this. I am also going to change my beam angle here from being really widespread to I want to close it in, but it is going to isolate my light a little bit more. So let's take a couple shots like that. Perfect. Let me just see what we got. Yeah, so now it's a little bit more isolated, a little bit more on her face. To exaggerate that, I'm going to tilt it up ever so slightly. I'm still gonna get that shadow, but now I'm making the light fall more on her face than I am on her body. It's just gonna create a little bit more depth in the image. Let's just look at that one real quick. Yeah. That's awesome.
In case you haven't already heard about today's video sponsor, Squarespace, let me tell you some of my favorite features. I've used Squarespace for a ton of different websites. My photography website, e-commerce website, selling photography education, and I've even designed my dad's band website. And it's all done in just a few clicks because Squarespace has really wonderful design templates for any type of style that you can imagine, and they're all clean, professional, and really easy to use. Now, if you're a photographer like I am and you are always on the go, updating your website tends to be the thing you put on the back burner. Well, with Squarespace's app, you can upload new photos to your website right from your mobile device, making sure that your photography work that is showcased is up to date at all times. Now, Squarespace isn't just about building a website. Yeah, it does that, and it's great. It also goes one step further into the workflow management of your business, including sending invoices, calendar scheduling, accepting payments, you name it, Squarespace probably does it. Now, if you head to the link in the description below, you're gonna get an extra 10% off. So make sure you take advantage of that. Try out Squarespace and see how easy it is to create a website, manage it, throw anything you want on there, and showcase your business as best as it can be. Now back to the video.
Let's hand you a martini glass. Can somebody hand her a martini glass? There's no alcohol involved in the making of this video. It's water. Let me grab that other lens because I want to go a little bit wider. So I'm switching from my 50mm to a 20-70, just so I have a little bit more leeway. I want to get, she's got awesome shoes she's rocking, so I want to get that. And I also want to see what happens when I kind of shoot through this grate here. Yeah, maybe right about there. Yeah, that's fun. Love it. Let's kick these up a notch. I'm thinking maybe if you lean here, almost like maybe that's the bar you're leaning on. I'm curious. Yeah, that could be really fun. She's like, no, this is ridiculous, Vanessa. Oh, that looks so good though. Perfect. Good. Awesome. And I love how it's overexposing her, but again, that's kind of like the trend. I am gonna go down a little bit. It's overexposing her because I'm getting closer to her. So let's do that again. It's just water. There you go. This is so much fun. I'm getting closer, so I gotta pull down my flash. Yeah. So very just. All right, let's kick it up a notch. Let me do some of this stuff besides the just direct flash. What I'm gonna do is take a piece of paper. Everybody can get a piece of paper. And we're gonna do a similar look, but just a little bit softer. So to do this, I'm gonna tilt up, not entirely, because I'm not entirely bouncing, and I'm just gonna create this kind of angle, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna get a little closer, and I think I'm gonna go through again. Yeah. Yeah, so now it's just a little bit softer. If you look at her shadow there, just slightly soft, fun. All right, now we're gonna switch up where you are because I wanna do some stuff showing off the shoes. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is shoot through this super grungy mirror while direct flashing right to Tess. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna hold my camera, super awkward. I'm gonna find her here in this mirror, attempt to focus on her. Haha, I'm gonna go ahead, turn my power down a little. It's funny because it can't like find your eyes. Let's go into manual focus. Let's do it. Oh, I remember the days when this is, yes, perfect. So just kind of looking in the mirror. Let's see, I want a more interesting angle. I think we can come this way. Yeah, I love that. Switch and shut that window and then open the other one. That way, the background, yeah. Yeah, that is so perfect. Yeah, this is looking so good. Do one where you're like on your side towards me with like, yeah, exactly. And like let that leg drop down that way.
This one?
Yes, that's fun. That way I see all shoes and yeah, we're just creating some really fun patterns. Let me go back vertical. Cool. We got so many good ones there. All right, let's continue playing. A couple things I want to show you. Bounce cards. Now look at the outdoor flash for the other type of bounce card that we had. This one, I want to use this, and I affectionately call it the bonnet. I call it the bonnet. And this is just a pro photo magnet that goes right on top, but it's gonna create some very fun light pattern on Tess. Let me have you go into the corner over there, because I think as she acrobats her way over.
With heels, I feel like that was easier.
So you know what might be fun? If you put your shoe up here, like you're trying to do your shoe, and then this is kind of just in the background, yeah, like kind of reach down. Yeah. That's perfect. That's exactly what I'm going for. So still kind of like a direct flash feel, but a little bit softer. So you stay there. I'm gonna get nice. Good. That looks awesome. All right, and then the last thing I want to do is I want to have you in this chair. You know what? I'm gonna throw in a grid and a gel. Let's do yellow. Let's do yellow and a grid. And see what happens. All right, let's lower my power. This is just the most fun I've had in a long time. I'm so excited y'all are here. All right, one more color and then we're good because I've been having way too much fun. What other colors? Ooh, purple, purple. Got some more foreground in there. Ooh, and then we get close up on that martini glass. Yeah, go to like almost sip it, like get like super close. Yeah, perfect. All right, we got so much good stuff. This is so much fun. I hope you had fun exploring techniques with on-camera flash indoors. If you were watching here on YouTube, make sure you hit subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss anything. Bye.